Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a month or so ago, I posted a video that Microsoft was rolling out an update to the Paint app for Windows 11 insiders in the Canary and the Dev channels. Now, just to let you know that it's now working its way down the insider program, and according to updated release notes from the beta channel builds that rolled out yesterday on the 13th of July, that Microsoft updated those release notes after the original features rolled out to say now that the new Paint app that supports dark mode and has a couple of other improvements now is rolling out to Windows insiders in the beta channel with the latest version, which is now version 11.2304.26.0. So that's the latest version. Now, I have posted some videos on the new Paint app with dark mode. But just to do a quick recap for the purpose of today's video, if you would be interested. Now, obviously, the big one here is that the Paint app, which has been around basically since the inception of Windows itself, it's one of those legacy apps that has been there since day one, basically, and has finally, due to user feedback and review, has finally got a dark mode, which I'm quite happy to see, and that Microsoft has now included. And that's the big update. I think it now includes dark mode support. And if we head to this little gear icon, there is now a new settings menu. If we click on that, here we can change the app theme to light, dark, and then it will adapt to your system setting, which it is doing in my case, as I have dark mode obviously enabled. Now, over and above that, over and above the dark mode and the actual new settings page, just to kind of go through the improvements to zooming in and zooming out and so on. Now, if I just do a quick scribble here, just to give you an example, the classic presets are still available, but you can now also zoom in and out with finer granularity increments on the zoom slider. So Microsoft has improved zooming in and out on that zoom slider if you are using that. And then you get the presets. If we just open up that menu, you get the presets. You get a custom value that you can set here at the bottom, and then obviously you can return that back to 100%. And that's obviously for greater precision and all that. And then they've also introduced this new fit to screen option here, which is next to the actual percentages for those zoom increments. And if you click on that, what it does is it optimizes zoom to match your window size, as you can see, which I actually think is a nice handy element and feature they have introduced into the new Paint app. And something else to take note of is that they've updated the image properties dialogs to match the style of the new Windows 11 design. So basically the Paint app, as you can see, looking very similar now and taking on a more Windows 11 look and feel. So obviously Microsoft trying to collate some of those legacy apps, as I have been posted on, to match Windows 11. And something else to take note of, I'm actually showing you the new Paint app in the stable version of Windows 11 22H2. So if you would like to know how you can enable Microsoft's new Paint app with dark mode and these new features mentioned today in the stable version of Windows 11 without having to wait over the next couple of months for it to roll out, then I did do a whole hands-on video to show you how you can do that. And I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like to know how you can enable the new Paint app with dark mode in the stable version of Windows 11 today. But just letting you know that good indication now that the new Paint app with that dark mode support currently being tested in the beta channel now seems to be on its way now to the stable version. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.